is on. Conquistador from the outside, running by the Rels Jacqueline's Diamond. Mr. Universe running down on the inside is Camora. Then comes Etc. Gavi's Choice, number 3, Forbidden Fruit. And Raon is bringing up the rear. Back to the front runner, Jacqueline's Diamond. And Mr. Universe chooses to run down on the inside. Then racing in third now is Etc. Conquistador, Gavi's Choice, Camora, Raon, and Forbidden Fruit. And rounding the far turn, Mr. Universe, Etc. is on the outside. Jacqueline's Diamond, Conquistador, Gavi's Choice by the row as they race the final corner. Now the course of the wind has been altered with a favorite, Etc. takes the lead, followed by Mr. Universe by the row. And racing in third now is Gavi's Choice, Jacqueline's Diamond, Conquistador. And with the last 150 meters more to run, Etc. this time by about 2 lengths, Mr. Universe, Gavi's Choice, Jacqueline's Diamond. And nearing the finish line, the icebreaker, the favorite, Etc. number 7. Second, Mr. Universe close, Gavi's Choice, Jacqueline's Diamond, third, fourth, and